Are you ready to sell your home quick at the best price? In this video, I will share with you 3 ideas that will help you to attract buyers and stand out any competition. Those 3 things include decluttering and depersonalizing, remove all personal pictures and bold ornaments, organize closet, cupboard, storage places, be ready that buyers will open them. Decluttering and depersonalizing. Why it's important? Every buyer wants to imagine yourself in your house and your family's photo and lots of stuff all over the place can distract him. After decluttering, come in deep clean. Deep clean is little bit more than swipe here and there. Deep cleaning, it's about cleaning windows to let more natural light in, scrubbing bathrooms and the kitchen to make it shine, shampooing carpets and polishing hardwood floors, dusting light fixture, baseboards and overlooking areas, cleaning areas with high traffic. If you cannot make this good cleaning by yourself, hire a professional cleaning company. Clean countertops from your stuff on the kitchen and bathrooms. Now let's talk about minor repairs. Even small issues can become red flags to the buyers. I'll take care about leaky faucets, cracks in the tiles, change their damaged trim, and patch up small holes in the walls, and touch up with fresh paint. Those 3 easy things will help you to reach your goal with selling your house. Watch my next video where we can talk about staging professional pictures and preparing exterior of the house.